Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the story of a camera that didn't just capture moments, it defined an era. This is the story of the legendary Nikon F. Picture this. It's the late 1950s. The world of photography is dominated by German rangefinders like Leica and Contax. They were precise, beautifully made, but also had their limitations. You couldn't easily swap lenses, and what you saw through the viewfinder wasn't always exactly what the lens saw, a little problem called parallax error. Professional photographers, especially photojournalists, needed something more robust, more versatile, and more reliable. Enter Nippon Kogaku, the company we now know as Nikon. Like the Nikon SP, which was a serious contender against Leica, but their engineers, led by the visionary Masahiko Fuketa, had a bigger idea. They weren't just going to improve the rangefinder. They were going to create a whole new system. That was tough enough for the most demanding professionals. This meant a camera where you looked directly through the lens, eliminating parallax error and giving you a true preview of your shot. It also meant a system of interchangeable lenses, viewfinders, and accessories that could adapt to any situation. In 1959, after years of meticulous design and engineering, the Nikon F was unveiled at the Philadelphia Camera Show, and it was a revelation. From the moment you picked it up, you could feel the quality. The body was a solid chunk of metal, built like a tank. It was designed to withstand the knocks and bumps of life on the road, in a war zone, or on a mountainside. One of the most revolutionary features was its bayonet lens mount, which we now know as the F-mount. And here's the incredible part. That same basic mount design is still in use today, over 60 years later. Imagine buying a lens in 1959 and being able to mount it with an adapter on a modern Nikon digital camera. That's a legacy of compatibility that is virtually unmatched in the industry. The Nikon F was also a modular marvel. The standard pentaprism viewfinder, which showed you the correctly oriented image, could be popped off and replaced. You could swap it for a waist-level finder for low-angle shots, a magnifying finder for critical focus, or even the groundbreaking Photomic finder. The Photomic T finder, introduced a few years after the initial launch, was a game-changer. It was one of the first finders to feature through the lens, or TTL metering. This meant the camera's light meter measured the light coming directly through the lens itself, giving photographers incredibly accurate exposure readings, regardless of the lens they were using or any filters they had attached. This innovation made getting the perfect exposure faster and more intuitive than ever before. But a great camera is nothing without great lenses. And Nikon delivered. The Nikkor lens lineup was, and still is, legendary for its sharpness, color rendition, and build quality. From ultra-wide angles to super telephotos, there was a Nikkor lens for every job, and professionals flocked to the system. The Nikon F quickly became the go-to camera for photojournalists. Don McCullen, a famous war photographer, famously took a bullet for his Nikon F in Cambodia. That's how tough these things were. They documented humanity's first steps into the cosmos, capturing some of the most iconic images of the 20th century. If it was reliable enough for space, it was reliable enough for anything on Earth. The impact of the Nikon F on the world of photography cannot be overstated. It effectively ended the dominance of the German rangefinder and established the 35mm SLR as the professional standard for decades to come. It was a trusted partner. The production of the Nikon F ran for about 15 years, finally ending in 1974. Over its lifespan, it saw numerous small improvements and variations, but the core design remained a testament to its initial brilliance. It was succeeded by other legendary F-series models like the F2, F3, and so on, each building upon the foundation that the original F had laid. Even today, the Nikon F is a beloved camera. Film photographers cherish it for its purely mechanical operation. It can fire without a battery, its tactile feel, and the incredible images it produces. For collectors, it's a piece of history, a symbol of a golden age of manufacturing and design. Holding one today, you can still feel the weight of that history, the stories it has told, and the countless moments it has preserved. So the next time you see a classic, angular, all-metal camera, take a closer look. It might just be a Nikon F, a camera that changed everything. It wasn't just a product. It was a statement. A statement of quality, reliability, and a commitment to the art of photography that continues to inspire photographers all over the world. What are your memories of the Nikon F? Have you ever had the chance to shoot with one? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into camera history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you in the next one.